Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Bennett. Mr. Bennett, can you state your name for the record?
Bennett.
He didn't go to his PSI either. Why didn't you attend?
I called them. They were supposed to give me a call. I never got a call or a voicemail. And then I called back. Yes.
Appointment for August 24.
Huh?
You had an appointment for August 24 at 3 p.m.
When I had a court date, you told me to go to the probation office. And they didn't give me a date. They said they would call me. I never got a call. And I've been calling them and leaving voicemails. I called the lady.
You're telling me my probation department never got through to you?
I never got a call or a voicemail.
Miss Polera, is that true?
No, it's incorrect, Your Honor. Mr. Bennett did come to the office and he completed his PSI packet on July 26th. He was given the appointment date for August 24th. I did attempt to contact him on that date. There was no answer. I left him a voicemail. I know that Mr. Bennett did attempt to call my office earlier this week to try to get me to do the appointment this week, but it was too close to his sentencing date because I had other obligations to this court. So I told him that he had to appear for his sentencing today to explain why he missed his appointment.
That seems different.
I never got any paper that said I had to come there on the 24th. I filled out that paper.
they told me to you.
Huh?
Counsel, you want him to keep talking or no?
Your Honor, no. Mr. Bennett,
I didn't think so.
What probation is trying to say is they gave it to you when you were there. Just because you didn't have a paper means that you still are obligated to appear. Your Honor, I did inform him that the new appointment was on the 21st of September at 1 p.m. I don't want to...
Did he hear you?
Yeah, I hear her.
Did you hear her when...
I heard her.
Go ahead, counsel. I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. I think I know Mr. Bennett's not in the position to make requests at this point. However,
oh no, he's not. But go ahead, try.
He does work until 1:30, so he was asking for that appointment to be set at 2 p.m.
No.
Oh,
I get off
because he can't make it like the last one.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Bennett. You say you get off at 2?
Yeah, off at 2 o'clock.
Okay. So 2:30 if possible. I want to set him up for 6.
So now we want to set a time that he won't show up.
I'm hoping he'll show up this time, Your Honor.
Yeah, we can all have our hopes.
I would also.
What can we do for Mr. Bennett who can't seem to get there?
Well,
can we do anything? If we can't, that's fine.
I can do something. However, I would like it known to the court when he came in to fill out his packet, he was given a notice to appear for his sentencing, which also indicated his appointment date. So he did have paperwork. What he did with paperwork, I don't know.
No, I know he had paperwork because I know how we operate. He's just saying he didn't.
So what I can do, Your Honor, I can give him September 25th. That is a Monday at 3 p.m.
That is so nice of you because I wouldn't have changed it. Defendant is re-referred to probation for a pre-sentence investigation and report. You're to pay a $75 referral fee. That's to be paid today. I'll set your new PSI appointment for September 25th, 2023 at 3 p.m. That is in person. I'll repeat that. September 25th, 2023, 3 p.m. in person. I'll adjourn his sentencing to October 11, 2023, 9 a.m. Thank you. People versus John Garrett.
John Dwight on behalf of John Garrett. Mr. Garrett, can you state your name?
John Garrett.
He failed to show for his PSI. Why is that?
He turned it in late, is what I understand. He turned it in on Sunday.
Why? He can't follow instructions?
I missed the due date, Your Honor. I missed the due date.
Your Honor, Teresa Blair on behalf of probation. I've not heard from Mr. Garrett to schedule an appointment. And Mr. Garrett, it's more than just filling out a packet. You know, you've been with me before and you know that you have to see me.
I called Elin yesterday and talked to her yesterday, Ms. Ballara, and told her about I just handed it in late.
And I did instruct him to call when I spoke with him, and admonished him for doing everything late, but he did call.
We referred the defendant to probation for a PSI. He's to pay a $75 re-referral fee today. I'll set his PSI appointment September 19th, 2023, 9 a.m. in person in the probation department. Understand that, Mr. Garrett?
September what, Your Honor?
19th.
At 9 a.m. in person.
Yes, sir.
With Ms. Ballara?
Oh, yeah, she'll be there.
Okay, I'll be there.
Let's hope. I'll adjourn his sentencing to October 11th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Your Honor, is there any way to get the re-referral fee waived since he is here today?
No.
Thought I'd
I
ask.
thought about it, though. Needs to pay it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
And that
you.
needs to be paid today, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Your Honor, could I have until Friday to pay it?
I know we're asking a lot.
September 15th, 2023. I dare you not to pay it or not show up for your appointment. Then I don't need a PSI. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Xavier Ruffin.
Sandra White on behalf of Xavier Ruffin.
He's not here.
I was hoping he was one of the iPhones or something like that. Unfortunately, I have been unable to get in touch with Mr. Ruffin.
So I don't know what it is with you, Ms. White. He didn't show up for his PSI for the second time.
He was here, but he didn't
pay
show
the
up.
referral. He also didn't pay the referral fee, which I'm sure you asked me to extend the time. So yeah, you're doing well. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond is set in the amount of $10,000. I'll give a 10% privilege on that. That warrant will issue immediately.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I won't ask again this time.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Miss Murdoch.
Miss Murdoch is here.
Oh, there she is. Okay.
Teresa
Ms.
Blair, yes, Teresa Blair on behalf of probation. Your Honor, Miss Murdoch is before the court for a review hearing on a prosecutor deferred sentence. Miss Murdoch has completed all terms. She's paid her $240 balance. She wanted to be present at this court hearing because she wanted to talk to you, about her progress that she's made while she's been on probation here. But given that she's completed all terms, probation would ask that the court dismiss her case pursuant to the prosecutor deferred and discharge her from probation with improvement. And of course, after she speaks to you, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Murdoch, what did you want to say?
You're muted.
You're muted.
You're muted. Unmute.
Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to just be grateful. I'm still sober, a little over 2 years. My life is great right now. I'm managing. I'm grateful. It's hard to talk about it because I'm just so grateful.
So,
Your Honor, just letting you know, Miss Murdoch has really come a very long way. She is now a manager. She's got a promotion at her job. Actually, I think a couple different promotions, and she's doing fantastic. From where she started before she came to the court, I mean, she's made leaps and bounds. It has taken her a couple years to get through, the terms of her probation, but the court and probation has worked with her to do that. And like I explained to Miss Murdoch when she stopped to see me yesterday, the hard work really was put, by herself. So I'm proud of her. And I think she's proud of herself, but she wanted to be present, even though she paid her balance and I could have waived her. She wanted to be present to see you.
Miss Murdoch, where'd you go? Your camera turned off.
Well, I just, it's just, I don't know. I'm grateful, Judge. It took a minute, but I'm here. And yeah, life's great. So,
Miss Murdoch, I'm just going to tell you, and you probably never expected the judge to say this, but Miss Polera says she's proud of you. I've watched this case. Miss Murdoch, I'm proud of you.
Thanks a lot.
I worried about you from the very beginning because part of one of the manifestations of your use was your anger, and you were mad at the world, it seemed. But really, you weren't mad at the world. I think you were mad at yourself.
Absolutely.
And to see you today with that smile on your face, all that energy and everything else, and just sort of being able to proclaim to the world that you're grateful. For me, when I'm doing this job, that's what it's all about.
It's been a long road, but change happens if you're ready. So I was ready, and now I got opportunities, and I'm making the best of it.
Well, you have opportunities that you created for yourself. What Miss Polera said is true. You can try to thank us. You can do that, whatever, but all the hard work, everything that was done by you. All right. We just had to kind of put guardrails around you and training wheels on you while you were moving.
Yeah. Good way to put it.
but once we were ready to let you go, we kind of let you ride on your own. But again, Miss Murdoch, I am so proud of you. And it's moments like this that tell me I woke up today for a reason.
Yes, you did. We all did.
Yes, we did.
Yes,
so Miss Murdoch, it gives me great pleasure for
Thanks
you to hear
Judge.
this.
You won't see me again, but maybe at my job if you come in. But you won't see me in this manner.
Okay, but I don't mind seeing you. And you know what? I don't mind seeing you because you're happy now.
You might read my book one day.
All right, I'll do that.
I'm definitely on a mission.
Okay.
To do what God called me to do. Breaking generational curses, man. Generational curses. But thank you so much for letting me be present. I was making sure that even if I had to work, I was going to be present.
Yes, ma'am. So it gives me great pleasure to say I'm going to dismiss the case pursuant to the prosecutor's deferred sentence program. I'm going to discharge the defendant, Ms. Murdoch, from probation with improvement. Good luck to you, young lady.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
You too.